Hi, my name is Ethan. I'm the founder and CEO of Wellgen Medical from Taiwan. There's a huge market in medicine, but still very labor intensive, which is microscopic. You need to have a doctor sit in front of the microscope to detect the disease. This method has been used for more than 100 years. And it's a huge market. It's $1 billion business. For tuberculosis only, it will hit 3 billion by 2024. And for pathology market, it's also a billion market. So, but this method has a problem, has a low detection sensitivity in tuberculosis. As you can see, the detection sensitivity are very low. And in pathology, in this shocking study, you'll see 40 pap smears given to 19 observers. Actually, only 4 reach the same results, and 12 slides have 4 to 5 different diagnoses. And also there's importance about the microscope itself. This is a study from US by Nature. You'll find out that there could be more than as much as 20% differences on the accuracy if you use different microscope. Wellgen developed a hardware and software to solve this problem. We have our own design of a microscope. It's an 8-slide system. It's a fully operated from the cloud. You can control and connect it through internet. And we have done many clinical data on tuberculosis detections. We already sold system in Taiwan and Japan. And the same system can also read many other slides, other pathology slides. So we have 2 big competitors, Philips and Leica. They are all very good. They are 300 and 400 slide auto chain, big bus, and we are actually developing a minivan. So we want every doctor to have the digital pathology, because based on this email that my colleague corresponding with, more than 90% of the hospitals in the world are small hospitals. They cannot afford the big systems. So we want to get US FDA first, and we want to work with Philips and Leica, so we will cover all the surrounding small hospitals. Also, we want to work with CRO, so the CRO can run the clinical trial faster without sending the slides back to the central lab. And we can also work for the AI softwares where they can develop their software based on us. I used to be a college professor from US, and this is our timeline, and we're actually looking for A-round funding for 1.3 million for this. We are expected to break even in early 2022. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Any questions, guys? Yes, please. Dear judges.
Oh, they're still like digesting. I'm speaking too fast. Sorry about that.
It's okay. It's good.
Sorry, this is a great model. Just a quick question. What is your, just look at the timelines. When will you be able to commercialize your product fully?
This product is already commercialized in Taiwan and Japan. We are getting the China FDA and also the US FDA. If we want to go to the pathologist market, we already have a distributor in India to promote for tuberculosis. So our core competence is one hardware is this microscope, automatic microscope. One software is the tuberculosis. And we like to add on more softwares on pathology, which is like an app add on to our platform. So we want to open our microscope platform to other AI software companies so they can work on their recognition pathology system over.
Okay, good stuff.
Okay, thank you so much.
I have a question. And since you spoke about distribution in India, there's a company called Sigtuple based in Bangalore, which is pretty well funded in this space. And their journey has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride. And one of the reasons is because, I mean, especially if you look at this entire space of cancer histopathology, the slides prepared in this part of the country are pretty poor in quality. One, because the training is pretty poor for the technicians preparing, and also the instruments that they use are mostly refurbished or may not be the best in the medical grade. So how do you ensure that the image that you're capturing of some of these slides are good enough for pathologist review? Do you have some kind of instruments that you have built
Yes.
to ensure you have good images?
Yes, there are three important components. One is the making the slide. Two is the microscope. Number three is the software, okay? Every software company struggle on the first two problems. We solve the microscope problems. So if the slide is prepared badly, so not even human can read it correctly anyway. So I think this is a time for country, for people to make the slide correctly. And we will come in to solve the second problem is the hardware. We will have a standardized microscope platform so the softwares can work based on our system. So again, if the slide is prepared badly, even doctor, even human cannot read it anyway. So we have no way. So I think it has to go through the education. We also have a special slide that to tell them exactly to put the slide, to put the specimen on the exact place. So that will be my answer to you.